Welcome to the in front of me Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sound section. Here you can set the media, call, ringtone notification and alarm volume panels. We can change them just by swipe this by dots to the left or to the right side with our fingers. Also here we got the vibration section. We can change vibration for calls, never, always, or first when they ring gradually. Here we can set also the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off, and set the schedule, or just customize how you want. Here also we got the shortcut to prevent ringing. We can turn on or turn off this function by the same way. Also we can press and power and volume up button together to vibrate or to mute. Here we can also change our phone ringtones, default notification sound and alarm sounds. In this device we got some slots, so by this we can just set the different ringtones of each of the SIM cards. And here we can change the dial buttons, screen locking sounds, charging sounds, and vibration touch sounds and touch vibration. We can turn on or turn off all of these options just by click once on each of the switchers by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.